Hi guys, this is Sarva. In today's video, we will see how to create flyers using Canva. For those who do not know what is Canva, Canva is a graphic designing tool and it's a free software. It can be downloaded from canva.com. Let's go guys. So let's go to canva.com. So if you don't have an account, you have to sign up and create an account and log in. I have already got an account, so I have signed in. I am going to create a design option. I am choosing a flyer. So after choosing that, it will come here. It's a A4 flyer. So we'll create one flyer for a supermarket where they sell veggies. So I search for supermarket. So I am getting a couple of options. It's not just showing supermarket, but it's showing burger shop, veggie sale, etc. Fashion stuff, furniture shop. Okay, so let us choose something relevant. Okay, we'll go with this one. Organic vegetable, 50% off. We will take this off. We will take this and customize. All right. So when you click on that, it comes to the right hand side where you can edit. Each compound can be edited and changed, colors, text, picture, anything you like. So organic vegetable, so this one I'm changing it to become healthier. Yeah, I'm just changing the text, just moving it little up. This one I'm changing to go for organic vegetable, and I will just reduce the size little bit. I'm going up here and reducing the size so that it can fit in. Later we can adjust the size if you like to. Right, so now there's a 50% off, so I am going to change that to 30% off. This is absolutely up to us to change. Right, and also I'm going to change this picture. I'm removing this and I'm going to the left hand side. I'm clicking on the photos and I'm searching for vegetables. You will get a lot of options. You can navigate and just go around and see and choose which you like to put in the flyer. I'm just scrolling down and looking at the options. Let us choose something colorful and also mixed vegetables, not just one. Okay, so we can have this one. Probably we can shrink it a little bit and then we can rotate and we can just move. It's absolutely up to us where you want to keep the picture, what is the size you want to keep. You can just try a couple of items and see how it looks, and accordingly you can just manipulate. Probably we will choose this one. See, already carrot is there, so probably we can choose something where there is no carrot. Probably we can go this one. Okay, we'll remove this. Yeah, we can add this one and reduce the size a bit. Alright, so yeah, we can keep it inside and reduce the size. Yes, right, and carrot we can bring it here and just increase it little bit. Yeah, right. So the background color on the corners, we can change this to a carrot color, maybe to orange. So I'm clicking on this and going to the square here and clicking on that. You will get a lot of color options. I am choosing something similar to the color of a carrot, orange, so it has become orange. Same way we can change this color too. I'm going here and choosing the orange. That is perfectly fine. So this one I will move to the right little bit. Okay, little down we can bring. Right, healthier, I will correct the spelling here. Okay, right, shop now is fine. So what we will do is we will just bring it up to the corner. This one also we can just keep it slightly up and also increase the size a little bit. Yeah, fine. And this one we can just reduce the size a little bit. Yeah. Okay, shop now is fine, and I'm going to change this website to www.servasuperstore.com. It's just an example. You can put whatever you like to. Yeah, simple changes we made and it is now ready. To save this, you can just go and click on the save button. This will be saved in. If you want to download the file, you can go and click on the download button. You've got a lot of options: PDF print, PDF standard, JPG, PNG, whatever the options you want to, SVG, MP4 video and GIF. PDF print is suggested because flyers are generally printed and pasted in the shops. So I'm going with the JPG. So I'm clicking on download. It is getting downloaded. So once it is downloaded, we can just open and see how it looks. I'm going to downloads folder. So I'm clicking on the JPG file. So this is how it looks. It's neat and clean, very easy to make. That's it, guys. So we used a pre-existing template and customized. Now we can create from an empty template, blank template. So let's go to flyer. So we have got a blank template. First we can change the background color. For that you can go to the left hand side and click on the background. You can choose any color you like to. Let's see which one is suitable. There are multiple options, not just colors. There are designs also available. You can just scroll around and check what you like to add. I'm just scrolling and seeing, what would be the best suited color. Let's try this one. Okay, it has come like this. Let us see. So let's go to photos and let us search for fruits. Here few are displayed. We can choose anything as we like. So we'll go and see some combination, mixture of fruits. So probably you can keep this. I have selected this one. It has come to the right side. I am just minimizing the size. Yeah, keeping it to the right. Okay, and then let us search for vegetables. Okay, this one we can choose. Again, we can reduce the size a little bit, keep it here, bring it down. Yeah. So what we are going to do now is for a supermarket or a convenience stores, right? We will say some offers, like for vegetables there is a 50% offer, and for fruits there's a 25% offer, and the shop now, that's a flyer we are going to make, right? So we'll add some text. So we'll go to text and click on the heading. So it has come here. Now what we'll do is we will just add. So now 25%, 50% offer off in vegetables. So we will just keep it here, 50% off. Yeah, and we can change the color of the font to make it more visible. For that I'm going here and clicking on that. Let us try a couple of options. Let us try this one, how it looks like. It is a contrast to the background color, so it goes well. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to show it here as 25% off on fruits. Right, it's done now. So what we will say now, we will say shop now. We will bring this together, these two little bit down. Okay, yeah, down, and also this one as well, bit down, yeah, the left hand side. Okay, now we will say we'll add some sale here. Okay, and let us increase the size. Okay, yeah, see, sale, yeah, sale. See, and we'll just reduce the size a little bit so that it fits in one line, and also we can change the color to something different and see how it looks. Okay, sale. Okay, we'll keep it at the top, and now we'll add some more. Okay, so here this one will bring it down. Here we will add our website. Yeah, so just for an example, I'm putting like www.sarvasuperstore.com, and I'm just pulling it on the sides. Yeah, and we will reduce the font size so that it gets fit into one line. Yeah, alright, now it's perfectly fit, so we'll bring it to the center. Right, and this one is now, we will say shop now, and offer valid till 10th May, something like that. We'll just do that now. We'll reduce the size of this font as well. So let us go here and reduce the size, right, and we'll just keep this like this. Okay, yeah, okay. So probably we can split this into two, right? So what we'll do is we will keep the shop now separate and offer valid separate. So we'll copy this and put it. Okay, I have just copied this and I am bringing it here, and I am just saying, right, we will remove the shop now from the top, and we will just say offer valid till, right, and we will keep it as a one separate box. I will tell you why I am doing this, right. We'll keep it like this, and this one we will bring below, and what we'll say is just shop now and remove the offer valid part, right. We'll just delete them. Right, now okay, now what we'll do, we will just make this one shop now slightly bigger, right. You can keep this to, no, just, yeah, this is fine. Shop now, and yeah, this one we can keep it in the top, offer valid till 10th May. Shop now we have put, and we will keep it at the center. And what we will do is now we will put an arrow from shop now to the website, right? So for that we'll go to elements and see arrows, what sort of arrows are available. So there are a couple of options available, nice ones, so we can use some of them and just put it here. So what we'll do is we will choose this one, and it has come now, right? So this one we can just change the direction, and we will bring it below, right? And also we can reduce the size. We'll reduce the size and like this, and also we can change the color of this arrow as well. We'll go here and say maybe black or green. Yeah, so that's it. So shop now. So sale 50% off on veggies, 25% off on fruits, offer valid till 10th May. Shop now, and the website is also given, right? Probably this size can be increased. Guys, there no hard and fast rule. Whatever you want to put which is attractive and colorful, you can do so. After all, flyers are for marketing purpose. It is up to the individual's creativity to make one, right? So it has come well. I'm going to save this now. So I'm clicking on file and I'm clicking on save. It will be saved in my Canva folder, and also I'm downloading it by clicking on download button. I have chosen JPG and I am downloading, and it's getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, we will go to download folder and check how it looks like. This is how it looks, guys. Looks really colorful and nice, isn't it? Why don't you try one for yourself? That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please share your comments. Please subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon if you like to get notification whenever I release my next video. Please let me know any topic you would like me to make a video and share with you guys. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.